Page number 86.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number
Last para.
86, and I had
Last
done
line, last para.
last para. Okay, fine, beta. Now you came to know where was Evans. Now he was there in the Chipping Norton, and he had stayed in the hotel by the name of Golden Lion. And when he had some food, fish and chips, everything. He took a walk, right? And after taking the walk, when he was returning to the hotel, he was lost in the thought, and he thought about the bobble hat and the new hat and the hair that he cropped and so on, about the razor and everything. Okay. One of the worst thing funny really had been the beard. Okay. Now he says that somewhere it had been a bad luck, but anyhow it was a good luck overall. Why? Because Jackson did not force him to take his bobble hat off. And then he thinks about one of the worst things. It was the beard. You know, he had always been allergic to sticking plaster, and even now his chin was irritatingly sore and red. अब क्या हो गया? अब वो मन ही मन सोचता है कि सबसे ज्यादा इरिटेटिंग चीज क्या थी? वो बियर्ड जो उसने लगाई थी. ओके, उस पे जो स्टिकिंग सॉल्यूशन होता है उससे उसको एलर्जी हो जाती है. और अभी भी उसकी जो चिन थी वो सोर हो चुकी थी, रफ एंड रेड हो चुकी थी. Okay, everybody had joined, na?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today Tanmay has also joined after a long time. Vikram also. Hmm? You people join according to your convenience, according to your mood. मुझे तो ऐसे ही लगता है बेटा, अपनी कन्वीनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही क्लास ज्वाइन करते हैं आप, है ना? या जब मूड बन जाता है तब हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, राइट? Now come to page number 87. The receptionist wasn't the same girl who had booked him, but the change was definitely for the better now. He enters the hotel and he finds that the receptionist has changed. You know, in the morning there was a different girl and now a different receptionist was sitting. As he collected his key, he gave her his best smile, told her he wouldn't be bothering with breakfast, ordered the Daily Express and asked for an early morning call at 6:45 a.m. Tomorrow was going to be another busy day. Okay. So as he enters, he notices that the receptionist was a different girl, and he thinks ki, yes, if the change is there, that is for good only. And then he collects the keys of his room, passes a smile to the receptionist, and also told her that he does not require any breakfast in the morning, so no breakfast is to be sent. He also ordered for the Daily Express, the newspaper, and he told the receptionist to wake him up, okay, early in the morning at 6:45, right? And then he thinks, yes, the next day it was going to be a very busy day. Why busy day? Because then he would be proceeding more further. Now he whistled softly to himself as he walked up the broad stairs. He had sort of liked the idea of being dressed up as a minister, dog collar and everything. Yes, it had been a jolly good idea for McClary to wear two black fronts, two collars. Now listen very carefully, okay? Now see, when he was just walking, he was quite whistling, means he was very happy. So he was whistling and he was just climbing the stairs, to moving on to his room. Okay, and again he got lost in his thoughts and he thinks, yes, Tanvay, why did you leave and why did you rejoin it again and again? Gia, you are late. Be on time.
Ma'am, sorry.
So now he is lost in all the thoughts. Ki, of course, dressing up, like like a clergyman. It was really very good, and he thinks that it had been a jolly good idea. It had been very good idea for McLary, who had worn two black fronts. Dhyan aaya? How did he get the clergyman dress? Now listen, McLary, he was wearing two dresses. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
That was the reason ki when Stephens had escorted McLary out of the gates, he could see that he had become somewhat slim. है ना, उसने देखा अरे ये तो थोड़ा slim लग रहा है अभी. And the overcoat, it was reaching to the knees and he was looking slimmer than before, right? तो उसने क्या करा था बेटा, he had worn two clerical dresses, okay, two collars, two black fronts, वो पूरा उनका जो priest पहनते हैं, that too he had been wearing. Getting it? And how did Evans put on that dress? Do you remember he draped himself with the blanket? ध्यान आया
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
हाँ, तो क्या होता था, when there was a gap of 2 minutes ना, after 2 minutes Stephens used to peep through the peephole. तो उस 2 minutes में इतना फास्ट था वो कि मैकलेरी उसको एक फ्रंट अपना निकाल के देता, एंड ही यूज्ड टू ओके पुट ऑन दैट फ्रंट, ओके कॉलर निकाल के देता, अपना कॉलर लगाता, इस तरह से ही ड्रेस्ड अप. And Stephens couldn't notice why, because he draped himself with the blanket. अच्छे से अपने आप को कवर करा हुआ था, तो उसको पता ही नहीं पड़ा कि he had changed the dress. Okay, he had come into a different attire. समझ गए? Both of them were very fast and very clever. So now see, it had kept on slipping off the back stirrup. Now, yes, I'll just read again. He whistled softly to himself as he walked up the broad stairs. He had sort of liked the idea of being dressed up as a minister, dog collar and everything. Yes, it had been a jolly good idea for McLary also to wear two black fronts, two collars, but that top collar, it had kept on slipping off the back stirrup, and there had been that one panicky movement. Panicky means that makes you afraid, घबरा जाते हो आप, है ना? When McLary had only just got his hand up to his neck in time to stop the collar springing apart before Stephens. Now what happened, do you remember? Once, McLary, he peeped inside and he saw that not McLary, sorry beta, Stephens, he peeped inside and he saw that McLary was sitting in a very slight tilted position, है ना, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होके बैठा था, and his half of the face, है ना, semi face, it could be visible, okay. और वो क्या कर रहा था, the church time was there in front of him, and one hand was on his beard and the other hand, he was having on his collar. ध्यान आया स्टीफेंस ने जब देखा था, तो अब इवेंस
Yes,
ही
ma'am.
क्लैरिफाई कर रहा है why he was having one hand on his collar. Why? Because he was wearing two collars, so one collar he had to give to Evans, right? But those two collars, they were about to slip when Stephens he peeped inside. समझ गए? वो स्लिप होने वाला था जब इवेंस ने पीप करा. क्लियर? तो उस कॉलर
Yes,
को
ma'am.
पकड़ने के लिए, ओके, he had put his hand here on the neck. Clear now? हाँ, तो that was a
Yes,
moment
ma'am.
it panicked both of them, और दोनों ही पैनिक्ड हो गए थे उस समय, दोनों घबरा गए थे, मैकलैरी एंड द इवेंट्स. So now they had got that little problem worked out, all right. Okay, now that problem, it was worked out. The collars did not spring out. Okay, बाहर नहीं निकले. Why? Because he had put his hand, उसने hold कर लिया था उस collar पे. They had got that little problem worked out, all right. Though a pen stuck in the mouth whenever the evil eye. Who's the evil eye here? Evil eye had appeared at the peephole.
Stephen.
Stephens, very good, Gia. Okay, and whenever they knew very well कि now that the inspector Stephens is about to peep, तो क्या होता था? They were so fast कि जितनी भी उनकी fidgeting होती थी, fiddling होती थी, they used to do events used to do under the blanket. Okay, और जैसे ही फटाफट करके है ना, थोड़ा बहुत करके, he used to keep the pen into his mouth. Okay, he used to put the pen into his mouth. सेम वही पोस्टर, वही पोजीशन दिखाने के लिए कि as if he had been sitting with the pen stuck in his mouth and looking blankly towards the door. Okay, so similar thing he was doing it again and again. Easy, but all that fiddling, okay, all the fiddling, all the movement, everything was done about under the blanket with the black front lagana tha, stud back portion lagana tha at the back of the collar. It had been far more difficult than they had ever bargained for. Bargaining here means they had ever planned for or thought for. Okay, उन्होंने सोचा भी नहीं था. Okay, लेकिन it had been very difficult to put the front collars, okay, to put the collars, to put the black front, to put the stud at the back. It had been very difficult. But everything else had gone beautifully smoothly. But everything was very fine. It had gone very smooth. In the car, he had found everything they had promised him. और कार में उसके आदमियों ने जो भी promise करा था. Okay, where was the car? It was outside the main gates of the prison, and Stephens had gone to see of McLary. So even जब बाहर निकला, तो he had found everything in the car. Okay, वो कहाँ से भागा था? Elsfield way से. So everything was there in the car, soap, water, clothes, and the map. Now, very important thing. Yes, the map, the ordinance survey map of Oxfordshire. Okay, survey map tha wo. He had got some good friends, some very clever friends, Christ. And he thinks that he really has good friends. Okay, he's having very good friends. He unlocked his bedroom door. Now, thinking all this, he reaches his room. Evans reaches his room. He unlocks his bedroom door, closed it quickly behind him, and as he entered, he stood frozen to the spot like a man who has just got a glimpse of the Gorgon. Gorgon is a huge shape, a fierce shape. ओके, पर्सन, अ मॉन्स्टर, डेविल, ऐसा लगा बिल्कुल जैसे रूम में एंटर होता ही फ्रीजेस. व्हाई? उसको ऐसा लगा एज इफ ही हैज सीन अ बिग ड्रैगन, किसी ड्रैगन को, किसी डेविल को उसने देख लिया. Sitting on the narrow bed was the very last man Evans had expected or wanted to see. Okay, and sitting on the bed was the very last man जिसको Evans ने expect करा था. Otherwise, he did not expect anybody. Okay, उसको एक ही doubt था कि maybe governor might find me. Okay, तो उसने एक को ही expect करा था, and he was the governor. It is not worth trying anything, said the governor quietly as Evans' eyes darted desperately around the room. Now, Evans' eyes, it darted means it moved around the room. Why? He wanted to see if there were other policemen there or not. Okay. So he says, the governor says, it's not worth trying anything. Do not try anything. Okay. Do not try to run away, or do not try to take any action or any weapon or something like that. And then he says, I have got men all round the place. मेरे आदमी चारों तरफ हैं. Who says? The governor. Though there were only two were there. लेकिन Evans should not know this. So governor said, I have got all my men round the hotel. है ना, होटल के चारों तरफ हैं. He let the word sink in, and he also says, governor आगे भी कहता, woman too. हालांकि थी नहीं, लेकिन तब भी. Didn't you think the blonde girl in the reception was rather sweet? Now Evans was visibly shaken. He was shaken, shocked. पूरी तरह से हिल गया. He sat down slowly in the only chair the small room could offer, and he held his hand between his. He just held his hands between his hands. Yani he was beaten. He lost. He was defeated now. For several minutes there was utter silence. और कुछ मिनट तक तो बिल्कुल utter silence was there. Finally, okay, he broke the silence and he speaks. It was that bloody correction slip, I suppose. Now he says, yes, plan. It had been revealed. Why? Because of that correction slip. Well, the governor failed to mask the deep satisfaction in his voice. The governor, he failed to show the excitement. What excitement? That even he knew German. So there are a few people who know a little German. Slowly, very slowly, Evans relaxed, and slowly, Evans now he relaxed. So कहता है, of course, there are few people. Okay, even they know a little bit of German. Okay, वो relaxed हो गया. He was beaten. Evans was beaten. Okay, defeated, lost, and he knew it. He sat up at last and managed to smile dutifully in a sorrowful manner. He smiles. कोई option उसके पास नहीं बचा था. It wasn't really a mistake. You see, we hadn't been able to fix up any hotel, but we could have worked that some other way. No. Now he says, it wouldn't have been really a mistake. Actually, what happened? He says that we were not able to fix up the hotel. Okay, right? The real important thing was that for the phone to ring just before the exam finished. Okay, लेकिन सबसे हमारा important action क्या था कि exam finish होने से पहले the phone, it had to, okay, it had to ring. Why? Because he says to get everyone out of the way for a couple of minutes. Do you remember, children, the phone, it rang 2 or 3 minutes before the exam was about to finish. Okay.
Yes,
And a
ma'am.
fake call was there from a fake governor who ordered Stephens to escort him to the main gate. ध्यान आया?
Yes, ma'am.
याद आ गया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कहते हैं
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
मेन क्या होना था कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग थी ना वो क्या था, वो एक्शन क्या होना था, फोन it had to ring, okay, just before the exam it was about to finish, जिससे all the police officers जितने भी policemen on duty थे वो relaxed हो जाए कि yes, now the exam it is about to finish. And Stephens, वो इस उसमें रहे कि they should be relaxed thinking कि now Stephens, he himself will lock the cell of the events and he will escort, he will see McLary of the main gates. तो सब relaxed हो गए. And so we had to know exactly when the exam started, didn't we? अब exam कब finish हुआ इसके लिए he says हमें ये भी जानना जरूरी था कि at what time the examination it began. Okay, and that was the main reason the correction slip had been sent. And like a fool, I presented you with that little piece of information on a plate. Or governor कहता है, okay. And even I too have been a big fool. Like a fool, I just sent you the correction slip without thinking anything. Okay. Anything opposite, anything reverse might happen. कि मैंने भी बेवकूफों की तरह वो correction slip तुम्हें भेज दी. Well, somebody did. So you see, sir, that correction slip killed two birds with a single stone. Didn't it? कहते हैं, of course वो तो कोई ना कोई करता, but that correction slip, it killed two birds with a single stone. Okay, it's a saying, it's a proverb. Okay, it means doing two different work at the same time, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं एक तीर से दो शिकार. Okay, क्या हुआ? The name of the hotel for me and the exact time when the exam started. Got it or not? Time पता पड़ गया कि when did the exam start, or name of the hotel भी. The governor nodded. It's a pretty common word, okay? And the governor says, okay, the name of the hotel, Golden Lion, it's a common word. Good job, it is pretty common, sir, even says. Or I had never have known where to come to, would I? कहता है, of course, बहुत common है. Otherwise, how would I have known कि where I have to reach? Nice name, though, some Golden Lion. Okay. Now see, he says nice name, बहुत बढ़िया नाम है. अब गवर्नर क्या पूछता है? गवर्नर नहीं, सॉरी, Evans गवर्नर से पूछ रहा है, how did you know which golden lion it was? There are hundreds of them. अब Evans कहता है, sir, how did you come to know which golden lion hotel it is? because with the same name we have hundreds and hundreds of hotels, isn't it? सिर्फ एक ताज होटल मुंबई में ही थोड़ी ना है बेटा, ताज नाम के कई होटल्स हैं, तो तुम्हें क्या मालूम कौन सी जगह का ताज होटल? ओके, ताज नाम के कई रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. तो सिमिलर ही आस्क्स कि सर
Yes, ma'am.
हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो कि द गोल्डन लायन, यू नो, टू विच प्लेस इट इज ऑफ. सेम एज यू इवेंट्स. नाउ सी गवर्नर वाज वेरी वेरी क्लेवर. वो कहता है इवेंट्स जैसे तुम्हें पता पड़ा. Index number 313, center number 271. In the beginning, I told you to underline it. Na? When McLary, you know, he asked Evans to fill the form, okay, or before beginning with the exam, और उसने लिखवाया था कि index number ये लिखो और center number ये लिखो, so and so. Remember or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Exam it began 2 or 3 minutes late ना, 9:18 के आसपास. ठीक है, तो कहता है सेम एज यू इवेंट्स. गवर्नर कहता है इंडेक्स नंबर 313, सेंटर नंबर 271. रिमेंबर 6 फिगर्स. एंड इफ यू टेक एन ऑर्डिनेंस सर्वे मैप फॉर ऑक्सफोर्डशायर का आप मैप लोगे, यू फाइंड एट द 6 फिगर रेफरेंस, okay, 313 by 271, it lands you bang in the middle of Chipping Norton. और जब आप है ना ये सर्वे मैप हम किसी भी जगह का लेते हैं तो what do we see कि there are numbers put on the map, okay, that locate, that gives the correct location of the place. Got it? तो कहते हैं 313/271. जब मैंने मैप में देखा तो ये नंबर मैच हो गया and it located Chipping Norton. Getting it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
रहना समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जो सर्वे मैप होता है ना बेटा, वो बता देता है पोजीशन कहाँ पर है. ओके, नंबर्स देख के उसकी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन प्लेस की पता पड़ जाती है. तो सिमिलर, इन द सिमिलर मैनर ही केम टू नो द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ द प्लेस कि ये चिपिंग नॉर्टन है. दैट लैंड्स यू बैंग इन द मिडल ऑफ चिपिंग नॉर्टन. यानी 313/271 it takes you to Chipping Norton. इसका मतलब you know it is the Golden Lion Hotel is in Chipping Norton. Governor समझ गया. Yeah, you are right. We had hoped you would run off to Newbury. Evans कहता है, of course sir, you are right, but we hope that you would move on to Newbury. Why? Because he had misguided them, you remember? First he wrote that Elsfield Way,
Ma'am.
then Haddington
हाँ.
Round,
Yes,
और वहां से
ma'am.
उसने न्यू ग्रेव लिखा था. तो गवर्नर को लगा ये कोई कोड है.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then he tried to find out and he came to know that that was Newbury, okay, the place, and he had sent the policeman also. But later
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
okay, everything was revealed, everything was disclosed, right? तो कहता है of course we did.
Yes.
Governor कहता है of course we really proceeded, you know, I had already sent my man to Newbury. Well, that's something, I suppose. That's the question paper. Evans, could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. Now, Governor, he puts up a question that he had appeared in the O-level German exam, but does he understand German language? Governor says, I could hardly, you know, I'm not able to understand fully the language, okay? I'm not able to understand the language. पूरी तरह से, अच्छी तरह से नहीं समझ पाता completely. ना coach, I couldn't. कहते नहीं मैंने अच्छी तरह से, even I couldn't understand. I knew roughly what it was all about, okay? Only he says that I made rough ideas, you know, guesses मैंने करे, but we just hoped it would throw a few spanners in the works, okay? Throwing a few spanners in the work, that is also again a saying or a proverb. जैसे अंधेरे में तीर छोड़ना, okay? उसको कहते हैं. तो कहते हैं even we made so many guesses, और हमने भी कुछ guesses लगा लिए, and that went on right, you know, sort of muddle everybody a bit, okay? Everybody was somewhat confused, but anyhow the plan, it worked out very well. The governor stood up. Governor खड़ा हो गया और कहता है, tell me one thing before we go. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? Okay. How did you get the blood on your head? Just tell me this. And this I'm going to tell you tomorrow. Right, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
God bless you all, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.